Hello everyone, today we will be starting with yet another concept of OOPS, that is abstraction. It might sound a little complicated, no? But trust me guys, it's something you already understand in real time and you're working on it in real time. Let's break it down and understand it better with the help of definition first. Definition of abstraction is: abstraction means hiding the unnecessary details and showing only what's important. It helps you to focus on what something does rather than how it does. I'll give you one example. Let's say you have a phone, right? And whenever somebody calls you, you see two buttons on it: red button, green button. For you, it's a red button and green button. When you press red button, you know the call will be disconnected. When you press green button, you know you will pick up the call. But what is the code behind it? No idea. So exactly same thing is there. So in this, programmer will hide the unnecessary code and will show you only the content which you are supposed to know. Rest of the things will be hidden. Let's understand this with the help of one example. Let's say we are working on one of the website and client is asking us that user should be able to pay with debit card, credit card, internet banking or PayPal. So there are three options, three payment modes with which client can pay. Let's implement it and understand it better. First of all, few things you must understand about abstraction is: you cannot make object of abstract class. This is one thing. Second is, it's mandatory to implement all methods of abstract class. You might be thinking, how is it possible to implement the methods when we cannot create object? Because till now we have learned with the help of objects only we can use the methods, right? But let's understand how we use it. There is a special class ABC in abstraction which you need to import when you want to create abstract methods. So in order to import that or implement that, you will be using, let's say I'm creating a class and name of the class is payment. In brackets, you know how we make any class as parent. If you don't know guys, I really prefer you to go back and watch videos on inheritance. So here I'll use pre-created class ABC. This is to implement abstraction. Now you'll put colon here, enter. Look at this, the red line is coming beneath it. Put your cursor on top of it and click on this, import. So it is imported now. After importing, you will write @abstract method. Put your cursor on top of it. Import this also. Now enter, and you can now declare your method which you want to create in an abstract class. So these methods will be methods whose body will not be there. We are hiding the code of the method here and making a method without body. That's called abstraction. So I'll write define payment mode, start brackets, comma, amount. Now here in the body you will write pass because there won't be any body, so I'm writing pass here. So we are done with the abstract class. You cannot make object in this class. As per the first rule, you cannot make object in this class. So what I need to do is I'll go to another class now. So class credit card, and this class must make payment. That means the abstract class as parent. So payment. Now we are done. So here what you can do with the abstract class, you can make abstract class as parent, but you cannot make directly, you cannot make object of this class. So by making any class as parent, and then you can access its methods. So here I'll write, if you want to declare any method inside this class also you can. So I'm going to create one method here, same method, payment mode. So I'll copy this. But now this time this method will have body. So Control C, V, and here I'm going to write print f string I am paying with credit card and amount is and here you can put curly braces and call the parameter. Done. Now we'll make object of this and we'll access it. So I'll write pay is object for this, assign credit card, this class here. Object is created because I want to access method, guys, so I'll use it like this, pay dot payment mode, and I'll enter the amount here, let's say $100. Now I'll make another class and the other class will be PayPal. So class PayPal, and this will also inherit from parent. Parent is abstract class payment colon, and here I'll define the same method. So define this method. Of course, I'll change the body and I'll write here. So I'll write I'm paying by PayPal and the amount is this much. I'll make object of this also, and the object of this could be pay1 assign. PayPal is the name of the class, pay1 dot, and I can access this 2000. Let's execute and see how it works. See, I'm paying with credit card and amount is this. I'm paying with by PayPal and the amount is this. So what is happening here? The payment class is an abstract class. It only defines the payment mode method. Look at this. It only defines the payment mode method, but there is no code inside it. So there is no implementation in this class. But what happened with credit card and PayPal classes, both these child classes implement the method in their own way. So the payment mode method is implemented in both of the classes in their own way. In this case, user only interacts with payment mode function. They need not to worry about how each payment method works internally. User need to just pay it. Doesn't matter how these works internally. Exactly same way you work on all the concepts where you just see the result. You have no idea what complex code is behind that. In simple words, guys, you are declaring a method without body and other classes are implementing that method with their own body, with their own code. Good examples could be banks. Let's say there are two banks. Bank number one, way of implementation is different, but their methods are same. You can withdraw money, you can deposit money. But what are the rules on withdrawing and depositing? It's different for different banks. So you can have a common method called withdraw and deposit, and the banks can make a body of the method as per their rules, as per their policies. This could also be one of the examples. You can practice it in order to be more confident on the code. Practice this example of bank also and you will get to know the code better. With that note, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be on encapsulation. Thank you.